Camtasia Studio 2022 voice narration, how to do voice narration in Camtasia. So now in this video I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so please follow along with me and watch this video till the very end because you don't want to miss any part of the video. Now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So what you need to do right now is to head over to Camtasia and you need to tab on more, and here we have voice narration. Record your voice while timeline plays. Paste text or script to read out aloud for easy narration. Okay, so here you can see you need to select your microphone. My microphone is Samsung Q2U microphone, and you can always add the sensitivity like automatically. Okay, it's Camtasia will set the right sensitivity for your mic. I don't recommend that. Normally I just go to voice recording and I set by myself the sensitivity. Here you can add a script. Okay, you can add a script, and then all you need to do right now is you have a video. Now in the timeline here you have a video, and you need to tap the start voice recording. Now when you record right now, you have the text, the script right here, and the video, the timeline, it's running, and you can actually read the script while the video is running. You can read the script. So that's how you do voice narration in Camtasia Studio 2022. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Take care.